You as a single mother, not let their matter dey shake you for body, because na only you wan know the reason when you leave that man. Na only you wan know the reason why you say you no want that man again. Na only you wan still know the reason why you say this marriage e don end. And you as a married woman, dey thank God. Dey thank God. You know why? Because God give you the rightful man. God give you man wey go take good care of you. God give you man wey go wipe away your tears. For that case, may you dey thank God. So guys, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, leave your comment. Is me, your girl, aka the young YouTuber, aka Zara Kiki TV. God bless you all. Bless you all. Bless you all again. And if you are my old subscriber, God bless you. If you are my new subscriber, God bless you as well. Thanks for